we're also going to have an athlete council working directly with Sport Canada.
For years, Canadian athletes have implored leaders to listen to their thoughts and concerns.
I think every athlete wants is their voice to be heard.
Now, in order to receive federal funding, national sport organizations will have to include at least one athlete on their boards.
This is really something that is going to force those national sport organizations that haven't done it yet to open their eyes.
The announcement also includes rules about financial transparency, but it doesn't deal with a central concern, the abuse of athletes.
There were many nights where I felt broken beyond repair. I was not broken by sport, I was abused in sport and broken by the system.
MPs heard from athletes from nearly a dozen sports, including gymnastics and soccer. Also announced the end of non-disclosure agreements, which have prevented some athletes from sharing their stories. St. Ange says these moves are a beginning.
I wish there was one solution that could, over a day, change the culture in sport, but unfortunately it's not the way it works.
What many have been calling for is an immediate judicial inquiry into abuse in Canadian sport.
It's disheartening to think that how many survivors have come forward, how many advocates come forward for talking about an inquiry and demanding an inquiry, and they haven't been engaged.
St. Ange insists she is listening to what she calls extremely shocking stories of abuse.
I've already committed to bringing a national inquiry. It's a matter of time. I'm still working on it. When I'm ready to announce it, we will.
But the announcement so far doesn't address the hundreds of thousands of Canadian children playing sports at the local level. Ongoing CBC News investigation shows there is serious abuse happening there and limited action to stop it. Jamie Strachan, CBC News, Toronto.